the letter E. A. Listen and repeat. Hi, I'm an energetic egg.
Eh. This is the eh sound. This is the letter E. Eh. Energetic egg.
Energetic egg.
What's the beginning sound?
Eh.
What letter is this?
E.
Page 14. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1.
Egg.
Egg.
2.
Elbow.
Elbow.
3.
Envelope.
Envelope.
4.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Page 15. D. Listen. Then write E or cross it out. 1.
Duck.
2.
Elbow.
3.
Egg.
4.
Axe.
5.
Elephant.
6.
Desk.
7.
Computer.
8.
Envelope.
Page 15. E. Listen and chant.
Egg. Egg. Envelope. Envelope. Elbow. Elbow. Elephant. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. Elbow. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. Elbow. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. Elbow. Elephant. Egg. Envelope. Elbow. Elephant. An egg. An envelope. An egg. An envelope. An elbow. An elephant. An elbow. An elephant.